There are few places in the world as amazing as Costa Rica. Exotic wildlife, volcanoes, beaches, rainforests, a vibrant culture. Now you and your friends have a once-in-a-lifetime chance to explore this spectacular country for yourself.
Costa Rica is magnificent.
Unique.
Exciting. Beautiful.
Costa Rica is absolutely gorgeous.
Breathtaking. Fun. Costa Rica is real.
No other country combines the amount of diversity of adventure, environments, and wildlife as Costa Rica. And on this incredible journey with your friends, you'll experience great adventures while learning about one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. The experiences are non-stop. Zip line through the spectacular forest canopy. And get a different perspective.
Ziplining was exciting.
It was really fun.
You get the view of everything, and you're not just staring at one specific thing. You're like spinning, and you're staring at that amazing beauty.
Shoot the rapids with your friends and share an experience you won't soon forget.
Whitewater rafting was awesome. I've done it before, and I can definitely say this time was my most favorite time. Huge rapids, a bunch of laughs, awesome experience.
You might even learn to surf. There is so much to experience in Costa Rica. All this while being immersed in the rich heritage of this Latin American culture. This is not your usual science class. See firsthand flora and fauna that you've only seen in zoos or books.
When I hear rainforest, you can always have a picture in your head. But once you're actually in a rainforest, the experience is totally different.
Your trip will be led by your own Costa Rican course leader to share fun facts, answer all your questions, and maybe even learn a little Spanish along the way.
Tigres. I did it! It's natural. It's not fake.
And the pineapple is really good.
The pineapple is on point.
It is.
Whether seeing amazing sights, taking a thrilling ride, or tasting authentic Costa Rican food, the best part is you will be sharing it all with your friends and making memories that will last a lifetime.
I would recommend this to other students because it's an opportunity to experience things firsthand. Instead of just reading about them at school, you get to be part of it, and it's really eye-opening and exciting.
When you and your friends join us in Costa Rica, you'll discover science come alive on a travel adventure you will never forget.
This trip has been the highlight so far of my life. And it probably will be the highlight for more years to come. I'm probably going to look back on this even in my 80s, and these are going to be some of my best memories ever.